Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back again with ripping the territory. And sorry, it's been a few weeks, if not a month, between videos. I'm getting married, 2 weeks actually. So it's been hectic getting all that together, but the videos will start coming along after the wedding and stuff. But have managed to spare a little bit of money for that to do some more. So what we're doing today is we're doing a throttle body relocation. Now, this isn't turboed. That's the main reason most people would do this, so that you can hook up the intercooler piping down there, and then it makes it easier for the front mount intercoolers and stuff. But we're doing it because if you've been following the channel, we've just put extractors on it. We've put a high flow cat, a 3-inch X-Force exhaust system from a turbo diesel model, and we're plan is to put nitrous on it. So what I've gone and done to make this easier for myself and for to make the engine bay look better is we're going to do a throttle body relocation. Now, here's what we've purchased over here. I've got throttle body relocation kit off eBay. It was slightly cheaper than doing a kit, and then we bought the wiring that we need to do it to extend the loom so that we can move the throttle body. And the reason we're doing this is for this piece in particular. Now, we're going to put nitrous on it, and this sort of piping is not the greatest to plumb it into and stuff, and I figured, with some of the chrome bits we've got in the engine bay, why not match it up with something like this? But the plan is that one will go where the throttle body is now, and then it'll come down there, and we're going to make some kind of custom intake, hopefully using some of the ants kit that we had from the turbo model. But yeah, that means once this is here, then it's going to make it a lot easier to plumb nitrous into the back of that. We'll put a hole in there, and that's where the fogger is going to go. And then it's going to give us a lot of access down in there to the fuel lines, setting up all the stuff we need to set up for the nitrous setup. But yeah, I think it's something different too. On an NA model, I haven't really seen it done a lot. Is there any gain for power? Not too sure, just on a naturally aspirated one. I mean, there might be some gain in there being slightly cooler air. But yeah, the main reason, use that kit, engine bay will look better, and it's going to make the nitrous come out good because we'll be able to plumb it in at the back. So yeah, it's time to whip off this intake, and then yeah, we can start getting it on there. Alrighty, intake's off, as you can see, throttle body there. And it gives us access to the fuel lines and mounting solenoids and stuff like that up there for the nitrous. And a quick note about the older intake. These territory intakes are actually an upgrade for the Falcon. If you see in the Falcon intakes from the factory, this is all bent inwards. So this is a common upgrade to do on your NA if you want to do a cheap one. But yeah, time to get the throttle body off, and then we can start looking at putting this on. And another side note with these throttle bodies, I noticed with the NA models, these are actually Allen keys, whereas on the turbo ones, sometimes they have that hex star thing going on. So it's just Allen keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, that'll pop off. And then we can look at extending the wiring loom from that one there and the other one behind there for the 2 throttle body ones. And then we can get it on there. Okay, throttle body is off. There she is. Now it's time to move on to this wiring. So this will hook up to the existing loom so that the throttle body can come down here. So we'll get that hooked up and we can start putting on the relocation kit. As you can see, they just clip in really nicely down like that. That gives us plenty of loom to put the throttle body down there. And here is part one. Nice and shiny. It's going to go down there like that. So yeah, we'll get that thing on there.
A few inches later.
Alrighty, here's the update. We got it on there. A couple of things. There's a little bracket behind here. You have to bend out the way. to get that to finish on there. It is quite tight through here, but you will get it. Sorry about the fingerprints, we'll clean it up later. But yeah, looking good. Next thing is to get the throttle body on there and then see if we can work out an intake. At this point it's looking like maybe just bolting the pod filter straight on there. But yeah, we're going to fix up everything later when we go through and do the nitrous. But yeah, it's coming along good. It should be interesting. Okay, throttle body is on. We've hooked up the electrics, the wiring loom. Great bit of kit that. They clipped in nicely. They work perfectly. TI Performance, recommend that loom. But yeah, next up is, we don't have as much room for an intake here. So we wanted to use the bigger pod filter, but to start off with, we're probably going to do something like this. We'll cut a bit of black pipe and then we can just silicone it straight onto there. And that should be a good way to start it, and I think I'll upgrade it from there if I come up with something for sure. But yeah, pretty happy with that. So we're just going to cut a little bit of tubing, get some joiners, and we send it, we'll put it on there and we'll start it up. And there we have it. It's all hooked up. Couldn't use the good pod filter, but we'll work out that later. But it's nice and solid. And yeah, it looks good. Should set up the back end nicely for putting solenoids and whatnot up there. Being able to tap into that pipe there for the nitrous sprayer. And for anyone of you guys wondering, go to probably chuck on the catch can off camera just to fix up that. But yeah, we'll start it up, see how it goes. And there you have it. BF territory, the older school Barra throttle body relocation. A few of you guys probably saw that. I think I need to replace an engine mount, but that's all good. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And sorry I haven't been getting videos up lately, but be married soon and then we can get right back into it. So thanks for watching, guys. Till the next one. See you later.